ResellerClub Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're in web hosting or domain reselling, ResellerClub promises easy management of domains, hosting, and client accounts, but is it the right platform for your business? One of the biggest pros is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming reselling platforms are complicated. ResellerClub provides a clean dashboard for managing domains, certificates, and hosting services. You can onboard clients, manage renewals, and issue invoices all from one place, saving time and reducing errors. Another advantage is scalability. Whether you're starting small or running a large web services business, ResellerClub supports growth. It offers a variety of products, including shared hosting and cloud solutions, so you can expand your offerings to meet client needs. The platform also provides automation tools. Billing, account creation, and domain registration can be automated, reducing manual work and helping maintain a professional service experience. Customer support and knowledge bases are available to help troubleshoot issues efficiently. However, there are cons. Some users report that the pricing can be slightly higher than competitors, especially for advanced services. The interface, while functional, may feel outdated to some, and certain features require familiarity with web hosting terminology. In conclusion, ResellerClub is a robust platform for web professionals looking to manage and scale their hosting or domain business. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines operations and automates tasks, understanding the technical aspects of hosting ensures smoother management and client satisfaction. For anyone serious about reselling domains and hosting efficiently, ResellerClub offers convenience, scalability, and professional-grade tools, but a basic knowledge of web hosting is recommended to maximize benefits.